Let's sew a Christmas tablecloth.
Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
First, measure your table. Grab some spare fabric. Measure the fabric. Make sure that it's going to be long enough and wide enough to fit your table well. Then, iron down the hem. Working on opposite sides, double fold it, press it, and pin it. Now do the opposite sides. If you started lengthwise, then do the short sides next. Fold them, press them, and pin them. This is a great beginner project. Take it to your machine and you're ready to stitch all the way around your tablecloth. I remove the pins as I stitch. Here's the finished product, ready for your Christmas dinner or to be given as a Christmas gift. It's easy, quick, and beautiful. What a lovely place setting. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you next time.